Yeah, good evening, everyone. Sir, in the last videos, I think we are talking with respect to arrays. So successfully, we completed the algorithms related to the sorting, right? Yeah, successfully we completed sorting algorithms. Okay. I mean, how you can able to sort the elements and even how you can able to perform update operation. Okay. So how you can able to do half sorting, half ascending, half descending. All these things we have seen very clearly in the last video. So related to this, there are some questions will be there. Sir, what are these questions? Is before moving to this, I mean, before going to the questions, sir, we have a small analysis is there. For example, sir, after sorting, okay, after sorting the elements, okay, after sorting the elements, so how the elements will be, sir, minimum element will be there. That is, I can say, sir, first minimum will be there. Okay, so next maximum elements, minimum will be there at the very beginning, max will be there at the ending. Sir, now a of 0 will become minimum element. Sir, next minimum element, next minimum element, and so on. Sir, maximum element, okay, last maximum element, last before maximum element, like this we have. Sir, my requirement is I want to calculate, sir, first minimum in the given number. Sir, how you can able to find out the first minimum? Sir, first minimum means what? The value which is located at 0th location will become first minimum. Sir, for our convenient purpose, I am going to take 1 minus 1. Okay, sir, a of 1 minus 1 will become minimum element. That is nothing but first minimum element. Sir, I want to find out the second minimum element present in the array. So how you can able to find out the second minimum element? Sir, a of 2 minus 1 is nothing but a second minimum element, which is nothing but a of 1. Sir, I want to find out third minimum element present in the array. Sir, what formula we can able to write? 3 minus 1 will become, sir, which one? Third minimum element present in the array, and so on. If you want to find out nth minimum element in the array, sir, how you are going to write? A of n minus 1. Okay, this is with respect to minimum element, sir. For example, consider array size is 5. So the elements are nothing but something like this we have. Okay, so the elements are nothing but something like this we have. Sir, I am arranging these elements in ascending order. Then I am asking, array, what is the first minimum? Sir, what is the first minimum? Sir, 1, right? That is nothing but a of 0. Okay, a of 0 or 1 minus 1, which is nothing but a of 0, and its value is 1. Sir, I want to find out the second minimum element in that array. Sir, what will be the second minimum element? 2 minus 1, which will become a of 1, which is nothing but a 2. Right? Sir, I want to find out the third minimum element present in the array. So a of n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, which will become a of 2. Sir, its value is nothing but 3. So fourth minimum element present in this array is nothing but a of 4 minus 1, which will become a of 3. Sir, a of 3 means what? Sir, which element it is available? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the available. Sir, I want to find out the fifth minimum. So a of 5 minus 1 will, which will become a of 4, which is nothing but 5. Like this, suppose if you have an array, if you want to find out minimum element, second minimum element, third minimum element, like that, if they are asking, sir, what is the solution for this? We have to arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, so first we have to sort the given array. So once if the array is sorted, then the elements which we have continuously is nothing but minimum elements, sir. I think you people got a very clear clarity about how we are going to get these minimum elements, right? Sir, is this analysis is clear for everyone? Can you please confirm? If elements are duplicate, Komal, no problem, the duplicates will become one by one, right? No issues in that. Suppose if any duplicate is there, it will be repeated. If the element is repeated, then what is the issue? Okay, right? Sir, similarly, I want to apply this story for maximum elements. Okay, I want to apply this story for maximum element. Sir, I want to find out the first maximum element. Sir, have you observed there n minus 1 is nothing but first maximum element or not? Yes, sir. Sir, second maximum element, that means last before element, which is nothing but n minus 2. Sir, third maximum element, which will become third maximum, a of n minus 3. Sir, fourth maximum I have to find out. What is the fourth maximum element? So a of n minus 4. Sir, what is the fifth maximum element that we have? So a of n minus 5 will become fifth maximum, and so on. If you want to calculate nth maximum element, sir, which will become a of n minus 1, a of n minus n. Sir, have you observed, is it 0 or not? Yes, like this we have. So let us take the same example. Let us take the same example. Like this we have. Sir, I arranged the data in ascending order. Okay, now, sir, which element will become first max? So what is the value of n here? 5, right? Sir, a of 5 minus 1, that is nothing but, so a of 4 is nothing but first maximum element. Sir, I want to find out the second maximum element. How you can able to find out a of 5 minus 2, which will become a of 3, which is nothing but 4. Now I need to find out the third maximum element. So a of 5 minus 3 we have to take, which is nothing but a of 2, and its value is nothing but 3. Sir, fourth maximum element I want to find out, which will become a of 5 minus 4, which is nothing but a of 1, value is nothing but 2. So now fifth max element we have to take, which will become a of 5 minus 5, which is nothing but a of 0, its value is nothing but 1, sir. Like this we are getting. So if the data is arranged in ascending order, if you move from left to right, then you are going to get minimum to maximum. Sir, I have arranged the data in descending order. So if your data is in descending order, what we have to do? You need to retrieve from the last. Okay, if the data is arranged in descending order, you need to retrieve from the last. Like this we have to take. So I think you people got a very clear clarity about this sorting mechanism, sir. Okay, so for majority of the problems, these kind of solutions are always recommended. Yesterday also, some of the students asked, sir, I want to find out the second maximum, second minimum. So is there any alternative? Yes, this is the alternative what we have. So first, if you sort the data, automatically all the things will be settled. Okay, right. Sir, do you have any doubts in these algorithms? I will write list of programs. You have to solve that problems. Do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Right, sir. So the next one, okay, the next one, what we have, I will list out all the programs. Observe carefully. So what programs we have? Sir, implement a program and algorithm. Okay, program, sir, to find a maximum and minimum element, maximum and minimum element present in an array. Okay, sir, similarly, program to find, sir, second maximum and sir, second minimum element. Okay, so present in an array. Okay, program to find, sir, third maximum. So third maximum and third minimum element, so present in an array. So you have to implement a program to do these activities, sir. Okay, sir, to find out the maximum element, to find out the minimum element, so we have to do all these activities. Sir, hope you people got clarity, and I request everyone to please do this by yourself. Okay, so easily you can able to solve these kind of problems. Okay, will you solve these codes or not? Can you please confirm? Yeah, Praveen, correct. These are interview questions only because majority of the students have asked these questions. Even in my placement department, yeah, you can solve by yourself. I request everyone. Yeah, Kth element. Yeah, correct, Vishal. No. I was not in interviews panel. So I worked in some engineering colleges. At that time, I was the technical trainer, right? So that's why to conduct mock interviews, I will be there in the panel. And even sometimes some company people will entertain. So how our students are to check, I will be there in the panel also. Yeah, these questions commonly asked. Yeah, time complexity, ignore as of now, don't concentrate on time complexity. We will discuss about that later for every algorithm. Yes. So I request everyone, those who have completed the assignments, so you can able to send that assignments to sir my email id. So only executable codes we have to share, so that I will prepare one separate document for the homework programs which I have given and which you have solved, so that I will upload on the same Google Drive so that others can understand. Okay. And the previous one also someone solved, I think so. Yeah, right. So now related to this, I have one small problem is there. Let me solve that first. Sir, I want to implement a program. Okay, sir, to print first largest element or first smallest element. Okay, after that, sir, first largest element, then sir, second smallest element, sir, next second largest element. Okay, and so on. This is nothing but my task. I think you people have seen this kind of scenario also. Suppose if n is equal to 5, sir, I have elements like this. Okay, I have elements like this. What is your first activity? We have to sort the array either in ascending or descending. What they are expecting, what is the output here? Sir, very simple. First smallest, first largest, second smallest, second largest, third smallest, third largest. Since the array size is odd, sir, you are going to get one repetitive value. Suppose if your array size is even, okay, like this, if you have, then once if you sort, you will get array elements like this. Sir, then your output will become 1 and then 6, sir, 2 and then 5, sir, 3 and then 4. Like this we have to get. Okay, so you have to arrange an array in such a way that, sir, first we have to print the smallest element, immediate next element should be largest, sir, next one is the smallest, next one is the largest. Like this you have to print. Okay, so I think the problem statement is very clear for you people. So if you are okay with this, we will start implementing this program. Can you please confirm, is the concept is clear? Sir, how to solve this problem? Okay, how you can able to solve this problem? Very simple, sir. The solution for this is nothing but, okay, the solution for this is nothing but, first I will implement a program for this purpose. Where is test.java? Yes. So the first step, what I'm going to do here is I will import java.util.star. Okay. So here I'm going to read scanner class object because to accept inputs from the user. Okay. So next, what is our next activity? Sir, we have to read size of the array. System.out.println of. So I'm asking enter array size. Okay. then integer n is equal to, I am taking obj dot next int. Sir, next I am creating an array with how many elements? N elements. Now you can ask to read those elements one by one. Okay, sir, I am asking system dot out dot println of, so enter plus n, okay, elements. Sir, you can read those elements. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So a of I will become obj dot next int. One by one elements we are reading. Sir, what we have to do? First sort the array. Array dot sort of a. Now all the elements are sorted in order. Sir, listen carefully. Whenever these kind of situations came, so listen carefully, sir. Suppose if you have an array like this, the data is sorted. The data is sorted already. Sir, what is your target? First, you have to print this. Next, this. Sir, after that, you have to print this. Next, this. After this, you have to print this. Next, this. Like this, you have to do or not? Yes. So, for that, we have to maintain 2 pointers. One pointer will move from left to right. Another pointer will move from right to left. Sir, once if these pointers are crossed with each other, then we will stop printing. So till that, print first, print next, print first, print next, print first, print next. Once if these two are crossing each other, then stop printing. Like this we have to take. Sir, what variable names I am taking for this? Generally, we will use a variable called low and we will use a variable called high. So consider the locations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Low is initially pointing to 0. High is initially pointing to 5. Sir, is 0 is less than or equal to 5 or not? Yes. Then print a of low, 0th location element, a of high, 5th location element. Then increase low value by 1 unit, decrease high value by 1 unit. Sir, 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition true. Sir, we are printing, so first element and then fourth element. Right? Sir, next true value, low value will be incremented by 1 unit. So high value will be decremented by 1 unit. So we are getting 2 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. Then it will print second element and third element. Low value will increase by 1 unit. It will become 3. Sir, high value will decrease by 1 unit. It will become 2. Sir, what is the low value? 3. 3 less than or equal to 2. Sir, condition is false. It will stop printing the data. Okay. So what is the condition we have to take? Until the value of low is less than or equal to high, sir, you have to print a of low and you have to print so a of high. What is the formula? Low plus plus we have to take and you need to take high minus minus. That's all right. Sir, can you please confirm, is the concept is clear for everyone? Because once if it is clear, we can go with algorithm for this. I mean implementation directly. Clear everyone? One less than or equal to 4 or 5? No, one less than or equal to 5. Because we have 6 elements are there, right? Suppose if 5 elements are there, one less than or equal to 4. Oh, here you are. Okay, okay. I got you were glad. This one you are telling, right? Yeah, sorry guys. Sorry, who is that? Sagar. This one only you have written, right? Correct, correct. Sorry. Repeat formula. Ma'am, nothing is there here. So we are visually I am representing. So we are maintaining 2 pointers or 2 persons. One person will get the data from left side. Another person will get the data from right hand side. Suppose consider I have appointed 2 persons to construct a wall. Okay, a big wall is there. That's why I told one have to start from left side, another one have to start from right side. So how this left person is doing work? So he will start from left location, he will move towards right, and the other person is going to start work at right hand side, he is going to move towards left hand side. how much time they are going to take until they crossed each other. They will keep on doing the work, right? Same activity. But Java is not supporting pointer. Who, sir? Where we are using pointer here? Pointer means what? Address location. We are not using any pointer. I am telling, see, pointer means not C language pointer. This is index. Index, anything is a pointer. Sir, you can able to see I am representing some color. It is a pointer. Pointer means what? Something which is pointing. Mouse is also a pointer. Okay. For even size array, it will work. No, for odd size also it will work. Suppose if you take odd size, so what will be the size? Sir, you are having how many elements? 5 elements, right? So first 0 less than or equal to 4. Condition true. So 1 less than or equal to 3. Condition true. So 2 less than or equal to 2. Condition true. It will stop printing. Next time, that is so 3 less than or equal to 1, it will stop printing. But here you will get repeated element 2 times. Okay. Who is asking this doubt? Abhay, clear? Right. So let's go for implementation of this. Sir, what are the additional variables you required? Low value we have to take, high value we have to take. Sir, what is the initial value of low? 0. What is the initial value of high? Size minus 1, n minus 1. Sir, while the value of low is less than or equal to high, what we have to do? System dot out dot print. Don't use println. A of low followed by some space plus A of high. So followed by some space. So low value we are incrementing. Low value we are incrementing. So high value we are decrementing. That's all. So low is equal to initially pointing to 0. High is equal to initially pointing to n minus 1. So until the value of low is less than or equal to high, sir, we are moving the pointer towards left to right, towards right to left. Okay, that's all. The program got completed. I want to test this program. Really, is it working or not? I need to cross check. Okay, so I'm compiling the program. So Java C, sorry, Java C. So test.java. I think it will be arrays.sort. Yeah, arrays.sort. So Java C test.java. Yes, Java space test. Enter array size 5 elements. Sir, 1, 5. Okay, sir, 3, 2, and then 4. So it is not in order. Sir, have you observed the first minimum element is 1. Sir, first maximum is 5. Second minimum is 2. Second maximum is 4. Third minimum is 3. Third maximum is 3. Sir, if I am giving odd length, I mean even length, then sir 1, 5, 3, so 6, 4, 2, something like this. Have you observed? 1 is the minimum element. 6 is the maximum. Second minimum, second maximum. Third minimum, third maximum. Okay, like this we are getting. Okay, so I think you people got very clear clarity about this algorithm and how it is working. You people got clarity, sir, right? Sir, it is also one of the interview question. Okay, so I think you people got very clear clarity about this. Please confirm everyone. Okay, right. Now, sir, one more task we are going to do related to this sorting. Sir, print all elements in an array. Okay, all elements in an array. In an array. So in waveform, I need to print the array elements in waveform. Sir, what is this waveform? Suppose if size of the array is equal to 6 and we have these elements are there, consider just for your understanding purpose I am telling. Sir, if you are doing like this, sir, first sort the elements in ascending order. Then what they are expecting? Waveform. Waveform means, sir, first we have to print smallest element. Okay, what is the smallest element? 1. Sir, next element should be biggest element. Maybe 3 I am taking. Sir, next element should be smallest. Okay, next element should be biggest. Okay, sir, next element should be smallest. Next element should be biggest. Like this we have to get. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Is it in waveform or not? Yes, what is the output that we got? Sir, 132. Okay, 132. Yes, 546. So first element is small, next is biggest, next is smallest, next is biggest, next is smallest, next is biggest. Like this we have. So this type of waveform we have to implement. Waveform in the sense, don't assume sir is going to print this form. Okay, so we have to print the numbers in this style. Okay, we have to print the numbers in this style. Sir, clear? Is the concept is clear? You are laughing, man. Is the concept is clear? Right. Hmm. Someone is asking, sir, can you please repeat? See, suppose if I have n is equal to 5. Okay, so I have 5 elements are there, something like this. Maybe it is in order or not order, forget about that. I need to arrange the data in first order. Okay, so what is my next requirement? I need to print in a waveform in the sense, so first smallest element. Okay, so first we have to take smallest element. Sir, next element should be biggest than this, 3. Next element is smallest than this, 2. Next element is biggest than this, 5. Next element should be smallest. That means first small number, next big number, then small number, then again big number, then again small number, like this. Okay, sir. So here you can able to see how we are getting this after sorting. So first element you have to keep as it is. Next we have to swap these two. We have to swap these two. That's all. Right? Swapping of these two numbers. That's all. Adjacent elements we have to swap. Clear? Who asked this doubt? Seema Bhuyan. Is a problem statement is clear for you now? Right. Let me go for implementation. Sir, up to this same, right? Up to sorting same. Then, sir, what we have to do? Okay. Sir, for I is equal to start from 1. I is equal to 1. Okay. So I less than n, I plus plus. So we will print every element, right? System dot out dot print of, sir, we are going to print the elements. But here the problem what we are going to get is, sir, we have to, 1 minute, please wait. Yeah. So what is our requirement? We have to change adjacent elements, right? We have to change adjacent elements. So how we can able to do that? Okay, I think better we have to print the first element, system dot out dot print of a of I, a of 0. First element we have to print. Sir, after this we have to start from 1. Okay, yeah. So we have to start from 1 up to n we have to take. So I think two elements we have to swap, right? I is equal to I plus 2, so that the index values will be jumped. So I value will become 1. Okay, next I value will become 3. So I value will become 1. So next I value will become 3. Okay, so now you have to swap these two. So this one will become a of I, and this one will become a of I plus 1, right? These two we have to swap. So for that I am taking one temporary variable. Let us take the temporary variable here. So your t value will become, sir, a of I, and your a of I will become, so a of I plus 1. Sir, your a of I plus 1 will become, sir, t. And you have to print, so a of I plus followed by space a of I plus 1. These two values we have to print. Again you required space. That's all. Let me check really is it going to work or not. Sir, I am giving 6 elements. So 1 5, okay, sir, 3 4, so 2, okay, and then 6, right? Sir, exception in Java thread array index out of bound exception for the length 6. The problem here is, sir, we are taking I plus 1 means next element we are considering, right? That's why there is an issue. Let me take up to n minus 1. If any number is missing, so we will write that element later. Okay, so enter array size 6 elements. Sir, 1 5 3 4 2 6 I have given. Sir, 1 we are getting, so 3 we are getting. Next immediately down 2, next immediately 5 up, immediately 4 down. Next we have to get which number? 6 number. Last number we are not getting. Maybe I think at the end, sir, you can able to print a of I, last element we will get. Okay, let me try now. So I am giving array size as a 6. Elements are 1 5 3. Okay, sir, 4 2 6 I am giving. Sir, is the data is coming or not? Yes. So enter array size 6. Sir, 1 4, okay, sir, 5 6 3 2, something like this if I am giving. Yes, the data is coming in sequence. Sir, if I am giving odd number of elements, will it works? Let me check. Let me check. Sir, again we are getting array index out of bound exception for length 5. That means if the array size is odd, then it is not going to function properly, right? So what we have to do, so I think here you can able to check the condition. What is that condition? If array size is mm, is even means, then we have to print this, otherwise nothing is required to print. Let me cross check how it is going to work. So I'm giving 6, sir, 1 5 3 4 6 2, something like this. Is it coming? Yes. 5 I am giving, sir, 1 5, okay, 2 3 4, something like this I am giving. Yes, sir, 1, next one is 3, next one is 2, next one is 5, next one is 4. Yes, perfectly working, right? Sir, what is the need of using two for loops, Rashmi? Single for loop is sufficient. Sir, please confirm, is the concept is clear for everyone? Is the concept is clear for everyone? Is it working properly? Clear? Ajit, you can do. There will be various ways will be there. I told already, right? Since it is a programming environment, we have multiple options will be there for this. Okay. Right. So the next one, sir, sorting related programs almost I have completed. So I need to go for searching related concept. Okay, so searching how you can able to do. Sir, I want to search for an element. So sorting and searching algorithms, again we have a separate chapter is there. There I will talk. Sir, I want to search for an element. There are two types of searchings are there. One is nothing but linear search, and what will be the second one? Hmm. Non-linear search. Ayyo. Bilinear. Ayyo. Yes. So first one is linear and second one is so binary search. Anyway, first today we will talk about in linear search. Tomorrow we will discuss about binary search. Sir, I want to implement a program. Implement a program, sir, to find to search for okay to search for an element in an array. Okay, we have to search for an element in an array. How you can able to do this? Sir, very simple. Let me go with the first explanation of this one. So consider I have an array is there like n is equal to 5. Sir, we have 5 elements are there. Consider so 10 and then so 30 and then so 15 and then so 23. Okay. So like I have 7 like this we have. Sir, in the first case, I want to search for the element called 6. Okay. So what it is going to do? Sir, we have to search for the element. There are two techniques are there. One is linear search. Sir, what is mean by linear search? So we are taking this element linearly, we are comparing with every element. Sir, I am comparing 6 with 10. Is the result you got? No. I am comparing 6 with 30. Is it matched? No. I am comparing with 15. Is the result matched? No. Sir, I am comparing with 23. Is you got the result? No. Sir, I am comparing with 7. Is the result you got? That means after comparisons, result is not found. We have to print -1. -1 indicates the search is not successful. Sir, I want to search for the value 15. So what we are going to do here? First, it will search with 10. Match is not found. Sir, we are going to search with 30. Match is not found. Sir, when we are searching 15, match is found. What is the location? 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth location. So the output what we are getting is in second location, the data is available. Sir, no need to continue the search. Okay, like this we have. Suppose consider I want to search for the element called sir 10. Then what will happen? At very first comparison itself, you got the result. So you will be the luckiest person. Okay. Now consider, sir, I want to search for the element called 7. So what we have to do? Sir, compare with first element, not found. So compare with the second element, not found. So compare with third element, not found. So compare with fourth element, not found. Compare with fifth element, we got. Sir, what is its location? 4. So like this, you have to perform search operation. There are only two results are there. One is nothing but if the element is available, it will print corresponding index value. If the element is not available, what will happen? Sir, it is going to print. If the element is not available, it is going to print -1 as the default. Okay. So I hope you people got very clear clarity about this, right? Can you please confirm is the concept is clear? Right. So now I will implement this program, sir. Let us see how it is going to work. So what we have to do, I think up to this same. So next one, we have to ask the user. I think sorting is not required here. Okay. So I'm asking the user system.out.println of. So enter the element to search. So the user is going to enter some element. Let it consider as key value. So next I'm going to define one index value. Initial value is -1. Now I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So I will compare the given key value with all the elements available in this array. Once if the element is found, then your index value will become I. Immediately you can able to stop. So if complete loop got executed means what? That element is not existed. Sir, system.out.println of. At last I want to print the value of index. Let us run this code. Sir, enter array size 6 elements. Sir, 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, something like this I am giving. Sir, enter the element to search. I want to search for fifth element. Sir, in which location it is available? First location, right? It is going to return 1. Suppose enter array size 6. I am giving same elements here. So 2, 3, 4, 7. Sir, the element which you want to search is 9. Since it is not available, we will get -1. So if you are getting -1, then what is the meaning? That element is not existed. If you are getting -1, then that element is not existed. Okay. So I think you people got very clear clarity about this kind of searching algorithm. And this search is called as linear search because we are continuously searching for the elements. Okay. So hope it is very clear for you people. Right, guys? Any doubts? Right, sir. So that's all about today's session. Okay. I will update the running notes within few minutes. You can able to download. Okay.